Alright, today I want to show you the Great Neck 4-inch quick seat clamp. Now what works with these is you push this button. Let's see if I can do that and show it to you. Push the button in. Like that. So it pulls right back, and it works perfectly for the front tire. Now, for this rear tire, it needs a 6-inch because you can get it in there. You can't get it on the tire itself, so I loaned out my 6-inch hand job. It doesn't have the quick button, but I don't really care because I'm gonna order the 6-inch Great Neck, and that'll fix all that. But I'm telling you, this is one of the smartest ones I bought. And that 6-inch works great on these. The thing is, you gotta have a blanket or cardboard when you take the tire off, because you got bearings and bearings. So when you put it on its side and then you break it down, you use a 6-inch, and then you use your tire tools that I've been showing you. See, on his Honda Interstate, none of this is going to work. It's probably going to have to go to 8-inch. Now I don't even know screwing with that rear tire. I think that'll just have to be go to the shop, because I'm not interested in dealing with it. But this is one of my smartest tools for a 4-inch, and like I said, I'm going to order a 6-inch for the rear tire. Same thing. Push the button, and then you can pull it all the way up and open it up. And the 6-inch is deeper, so it works fine. So just wanted to share that with you. One of the smartest tools. Keep in mind, 4-inch and 6-inch. If you have a dirt bike or however, whatever you want to call it, but that's what it is. So, empty it on the porch. Just catching you up. Smartest tools. We'll talk to you later.